Let's pack my school bag with. If you guessed it right, my bag is empty. Ayaw! Sorry about that, my cousin. Maybe later. Let's do this first kay my cousin. Hey, my! Tell your mother. Hindi ako nagpalit mo ice cream. My book is not like that because we have three subjects. That is my cousin, and there are the two girls over there. Put it in the bag. I forgot my papers. The notebooks that I need to drawing. Because I am bored all the time. I am bored. Okay, the bag is done. Okay. That is all we have. I forgot something. So that's all. What I'm wearing was for today, guys. By the way, that is our all. For today's let's thank my cousin for nothing. Let's annoy them. Okay, let's go. Let's go to this big one. Ay, wala diri. Oh, bata lamang.